that, inshallah. Yahya from Morocco.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, before I was practicing Islam, I was talking a lot with my friends and I was do astaghfirullah Bhutan. And now I want to repent and I want to tell my friends that I didn't see the truth. But it was long ago, maybe years and a half. Should I stay quiet or maybe they forget or something? Or should I tell them that I was lying about that person?
If you said something that is related to another Muslim, which is a total fabrication and a lie, and you committed al-Bohtan, you have to rectify this either by going to Abdullah and say to him, I said this about you, and I apologize, which most likely would cause